Okay, hi guys, so welcome to another video. This one is actually going to be me cooking, so not really what I had stated we're gonna do on the channel, but as a result of the lifestyle setting thing, you know, you have to cook, you have to eat. So today we're making spaghetti bolognese, and I'm gonna show you how I make it, the ingredients, etc. Not in full detail, but I was cooking and I wanted to record it to show you guys what I was having, so here you go. So as you can see, I start off by putting the mince, the beef mince, you can also use chicken mince, in the pot, and what you do is leave it there. It's going to heat up, you cover it, and you're going to have to take off the parts that start to cook. It will turn brown from the red color, so you continue to do that until it's all brown and all of the beef starts to cook, the first part of it. You don't want anything that's not finished. Like, I know some people like medium rare, guys. No, it needs to be well cooked. So on the side, while this is happening, you want to be cutting up onions and garlic so that you can season your pot. Stir, dice it up. You want it as small as possible, and just keep repeating it until all of it has melted. So you're going to add a little bit of salt. You add the onions and the garlic. You stir it all around. Then I use Prego sauce. You can use any tomato sauce that you want to. Use a tomato sauce as the main base, and then you also add a tomato paste. Now this helps to thicken the sauce and it gives it a richer flavor. Of course, you know, have your seasoning. So I have pepper. I put crushed pepper, the Italian spices, then we'll have the garlic and herb spice, and to top it off I add parsley. Adds the right flavor. When you finish that, you stir it all around, and make sure, guys, you have to do your taste test. Like, anytime you're cooking, don't not taste the food. You gotta make sure that you have the right ingredients and that you have the right flavor. Don't add too much salt, but you won't taste the flavor unless you have enough salt. Keep that in mind. So while that is stewing, we need to do the spaghetti. So I'm gonna move this over to the next side of the stove and put on the water, as you can see. So for anybody who knows and cooks even the simplest thing. Spaghetti is easy to make. You put on your water, you set it to boil, then you get your pack of spaghetti. You can either break it up or you can just put it in the water until it starts to soften and it will bend easily. I choose to break it, and from there you just leave it in the pot. You add a little bit of salt and leave it until it comes to a boil. After it comes to a boil, you want to just check it a little bit until it's the right thickness to make sure that the spaghetti is cooked and is easy to cut through. Afterwards, you pour it into a strainer, or a colander or a strainer, and then you're basically finished. Oh guys, I apologize, I was not dressed properly for this video. As I said, I was just at home, I was gonna cook, so let's ignore that. Bon appetit. Bon appetit. Salute. Bye.